Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a haul with you guys, and sorry about my mouth. I went to the dentist this morning, so it's a little numb, but I just wanted to do a Hobby Lobby haul with you guys, and Dirt Cheap and Walmart. So if it gets too long, I may have to do two parts of the video, so it won't be super long, but let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have my receipt here, so if you see me looking at a piece of paper, that's what it is, my receipt. So I'll make sure I get the prices right for you guys. I will start with the stuff that I know is right. And the first thing is this picture. I got this picture just because it had the flowers on it, and of course it was on sale. Here's the back of it. And you can see I only paid $1.19 for it. And so I just wanted to get that to kind of be a filler, just in case I needed something to go along with my Valentine's theme. The next picture is this one, and again I just needed some more pink just to make sure if I needed to add in some pink pictures. I had this, and here's the price on it, and I only paid $1.79. Alright, the next thing was not Valentine's, but I did get it on clearance, and it is this jar, and it comes with this lid, and I plan on using it in our kitchen. And here's the price on it. Super cheap. Very surprised that it was on clearance in the first place, but I got that size, and then I got this one for our coffee to put in, and here's the price on it. That was the regular price, and then that's how much I paid. And of course, again, it came with the lid. The next thing was on clearance as well, and again I just wanted something that was pink to kind of be with our Valentine's theme, and it was super cheap. So it was $1.79 and regular price at $17.99. And then I got the smaller one of these, and it was $1.59 and regular price at $15.99. And this is them together, so you can see the size difference. Alright, this next thing was not in the Valentine's Day stuff. It was actually in the little kids section. It was the little girl section, and it's just this XOXO. And it was regular price at $15.99, but because wall decor was 50% off, I got it for 50% off instead of the 40% off with the Valentine's stuff. So make sure you check that out. And this next thing I actually showed on my Instagram story, so if you're not following me on there, go right now and follow me. My handle name is Courtney 19. But this is what I got. It was regular price at $24.99, and you could have got it half off, but I got it for $8.24 because it actually had a mark right here, and I got some stuff to clean it, and you can't even tell, but they had it marked off because of the marks on it. So that is it. So the next things are the Valentine's Day stuff, and they were all marked down for 40% off. First thing is this love sign, and I think it was regular price at $4.99. So that's this. Okay, so I got it for $2.99. So yeah, sorry, $2.99. And then I got these little things, and they actually light up, if you can see that. So they light up, super cute. They were regular price at $3.99, and I got them at $2.39. So I got two of those. And then I got this big one, and I think, there you go. This one lights up as well. And it was regular price at $5.99, so I got it for $3.59. And then I got this thing, and it was regular price at $4.99, and I got it for $2.99. The next one is this. I thought this was so cute, so cute, and it is regular price at $8.99, and I got it for $4.79. Now the next things the next thing I want to show you are some things that was in the it was marked down for 40% off, but it's not the actual it's the spring line. Okay. Sorry, it's the spring shop line. So I got this and sign, and I just thought it was really cute to kind of go for any type of season. And it was regular price at $7.99. I got it for $4.79. I got this one, and I thought this was super cute as well, and it goes with my farmhouse theme, and it goes with the Valentine's theme, and it was regular price at $19.99, and got it for $11.99. And this here was actually not on sale, but I used my 40% off coupon, and it was regular price at $9.99 for $5.99. $5.99. So these are something that my mom actually got, and she got these at half price, and they were regular price at $1.99, and she just picked these up, and I thought I would share with you guys. This too was part of the spring shop, and so I thought that would be really cute to go with the Valentine's theme, and this was regular price at $5.99, and I got it for $3.59. So that is all for the Hobby Lobby shop, but I want to go ahead and show you guys the Walmart part. Alright, so the next thing is Walmart. I'm gonna do that first, and then we'll go to Dirt Cheap, because some people may not know about Dirt Cheap, so I'm gonna do Walmart first. So at Walmart, I'm gonna show these. I got this sandwich maker, and it was only $4, regular price at $8 something, and so they had a sale on them, so they were $4. So this is $4. I got the lava bundt cake, and this was also $4. I got the griddle to make pancakes on, and it was also $4. And I got this 7-egg cooker, and it was also $4. So, alright, next thing I got from Walmart is this Garland. Super cute. And it was $5.98. Next is this sign, and it was $4.48. Next is this house. It was $2.98. Super cute. And this right here, this love sign, it was $3.88. This right here says I love you to the moon and back, and it was $4.98. And this actually lights up. I had to put batteries in it, but this part lights up, and the stars light up. Next is this heart, and it was super cute. It looks like something you would get from Hobby Lobby, and it also lights up as well. So cute. And it was only $3.98. This all you need is love sign was $4.44, and I thought it was super cute as well. And then I got these, so cute, and I got the pink one, and I got 2 sets of these. So that this one, the smaller one, was $2.44, and then the red tall one was $2.98. And then I got this little tray, just to put like fruit and stuff on there, and it was 98 cents. And I also got this welcome mat from Walmart, and it was $9.87, and I thought it was the perfect touch to put on the porch. So now we're moving on to Dirt Cheap, and Dirt Cheap is a store that has like Target stuff. You can find stuff from all over, but mostly Target stuff, and they're either marked down for 40% off, 50% off, sometimes 80 and 90% off. And this stuff that I got, most of it was 40% off, 50% off, and one thing was 90% off, and I'll show you that at the very end, because I'm gonna tell you, I was so excited about it. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is this Hearth and Hand cake stand, and I've been seeing this at Target, and it was regular price at $34.99, and I got it for 20 bucks. This next thing came in this box, and it was regular price at $3.99, and I only got it for $2 something, and it was one of these, and I got 2 of these because they were just super cute. The next thing I got is this right here, and I'm gonna pull it out for you guys. It was regular price at $9.99, but I got it for, I want to say like $3, and that's what it is. And the lid comes off like that. And I got 2 of these as well. My next thing I got is this Garland, and this was the Christmas Garland, and it was regular price at $10, and I got it for $6. And this is it. And I just thought that was really cute. Next thing is this coconut flour, and it was regular price at $3.49, and I got it for $1 and some change. But I thought that was super cheap, especially for coconut flour. Alright, so my next find, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know about this, but I found this tray and I fell in love, but it was broken. And I went to the checkout and I asked the lady, do they get discounts with something that's already broken? She said, we usually don't, but I'll go ahead and give you 90% off. So I paid $3 for this, and I'm hoping that I can fix it, but if not, I can still use the other 2 trays. So it's a 3-tier tray, and it's supposed to be like this, and it's just this one part that's missing here to go on there, and I think I can fix that. But it was regular price at $29.99, and I got it for $3. So even if I can't fix this part, I can still use it like this, and I'm just so happy that I found this. So super excited about that. So that is all for this haul. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Push that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a haul with you guys. So I'm gonna do Hobby Lobby first, Walmart, cause fire.